What's the meaning of Aquarius? Aquarius. Aquarius.
Aquarius. Aquarius. Aquarius is an astrological sign represented by the water-bearer, typically depicted pouring water from a jug. This sign is associated with innovation, progressiveness, and humanitarianism. Those born under Aquarius are said to be independent thinkers who value individuality and equality. They are often characterized as eccentric, intellectual, and unconventional. In astrology, Aquarius is ruled by Uranus, the planet of change and revolution, which further emphasizes the sign's focus on innovation and forward thinking. Overall, Aquarius represents a desire for progress and a commitment to making the world a better place.